Good morning. I am on the highway if it seems really loud. So this intro is going to be fairly short. Happy moving day. It is May 7th and we are moving today. So a couple of vlogs ago I talked about like we were in the home buying process. So that didn't work out. We were getting like outbidded. We just weren't finding anything that we liked, or there are just certain things with like a VA inspection that needs to be in the house, so we would find houses that just would not pass a VA inspection, and so we couldn't go with them. So we found some like new builds that we were interested in, but they wouldn't be, or the floor plan that we wanted wouldn't have been built in time that we had to move. So we are renting for the next year, but we are going to like resume the home buying process because the new build, like I said, the new build that we want is going to be available. Sorry guys, I am driving. The new build that we want is going to be available soon, or well, I guess not soon, but yeah. Anyways, so it is 8 o'clock. I am heading to an appointment. I have a doctor's appointment this morning at 8:20. And then we're gonna go get the keys. I have to take Aaron to get the U-Haul, and then we have a furniture delivery, so I need to get over to the house and like vacuum and clean up before they deliver the furniture. So yeah, that is the plan for this morning. We're gonna have a busy day. I have therapy at 1, and then I also have telehealth sessions today at 3, 5, and 6. So we kind of have a lot of stuff going on today that we have to make work, but we're gonna get it done. So that is the plan for this morning. I'm gonna mosey on down to my doctor's appointment because if you live in Illinois, the traffic on 55 is always just terrible because Illinois drivers suck. So yes, let's make our way to our doctor's appointment and let's get this moving vlog started. All right, when you first walk in, here's the garage door. There's the front door. If you go downstairs, there's like this little basement area. We have a half bath. Where's the light? I don't know where the light is, guys. Here it is. There's me. Hi. We have a half bath. These are like 2 closet areas. This is where the washer and dryer is gonna go. That is like water heater and stuff. We have some storage. And this is just like a little basement area. This is gonna be Aaron's little setup where he plays his video games and stuff. And I'm gonna clean. So we're gonna walk back up the stairs. Then we're gonna walk up some more stairs. We have like another closet right here. Then we have the living room area. And then we're gonna put our dining table there, our deck. And then this is the kitchen. We've already started bringing stuff in. Once we walk out of the kitchen, we're gonna walk up more stairs. This is gonna be my son's bathroom. And then across the hall is going to be my office. And then right across, or let's go next door, this is gonna be my son's room. And then we have the master, and then the master bathroom. I love the amount of natural lighting that is in here. So yes, that is the house tour. We are getting ready to, first of all, turn these damn lights off. And then we're gonna take the stuff out of the car that we have in there. We'll get some more stuff, get the U-Haul, bring some more stuff. Because I have a therapy session at 1. It's only 10:20, so we got some time. The amount of natural light in this place, you guys, like, it is amazing. I'm loving it. Like, this is great. I'm gonna turn this light off. It's 67 degrees in here. I'm trying to figure out how to turn off this like living room light and fan. And I am just gonna flick switches until I find it. I haven't found it yet. All right. Alrighty, that is the house tour. We're gonna, guys, I don't know. But let me get some stuff. Yeah. And I'll come check in with you guys later. Alrighty guys, I am still mopping. I did not expect for the entire house to be hardwood. I thought we would have some carpet somewhere, and we don't. So I'm mopping everything, and it's hard. I'm tired. It's 11:55. They should be delivering the furniture, I think they said between 12 and 1. So Aaron is running back to my parents' house to grab just something for us to eat, something to drink, and then some candles so I can light a candle to get some smell good in here. And I'm gonna just keep mopping. I have therapy at 1, and so I'm gonna have to stop and do that. And then I have sessions at 3, 5, and 6. So after therapy, I'm gonna come back, try to get a little more done. But yeah, I will come check in with you guys once the delivery people get here with our bedroom furniture. That was the first room that I mopped, just so that we would have the floor clean, so when they deliver the furniture they can put it together and be done. So that is what we got going on. I'm gonna get some more stuff cleaned, get the bathrooms cleaned, get some stuff wiped down and set up, and I'll check in with you guys when they deliver our bedroom furniture. Alrighty guys, we just got back, or not we, I'm turning the lights off, sorry. Just got back to my parents' house. I'm here to do my therapy session because the AT&T guys at our house are working on the Wi-Fi, so we don't have Wi-Fi yet. So back at my parents' house, I'm also gonna come back here to do my telehealth sessions. Again, won't have Wi-Fi, still setting things up. So I'm getting ready to log on for that. And yeah, that's what we're doing. They just finished getting our what's it called, bedroom furniture put together. So I'll show you guys. So this is the bed frame that we got, and it has like storage at the bottom. Then we have nightstands on both sides, and then what's kind of cool is this has like a little LED. You guys can see that. And then there's our dresser. It's a little close to the bedroom or the bathroom door, but I mean, thankfully it still opens up. And then I realized we don't have shower rods, so that's wonderful. So yeah, this is what everything looks like. We have our bedding at home, and then we kind of brought in like my son's crib and his sheets. So yeah, it is $250. and Aaron just went back to my parents' house to grab some more things, but I am gonna get ready to go do some sessions. So I'm gonna turn like a lot of these lights off. There's like a lot of lights on right now. And it was storming and now it's starting to get bright outside. So yeah, our living room is just a ginormous mess of stuff. And I mean, the dining room table is at my parents' house, and then we've started to kind of clear some stuff out. If you guys can tell, we have a load in the dishwasher. So yeah, I am going to do a quick little mop of the little area up like there where the rooms are, just because people have been, or maybe I should wait because we still have stuff to take up there. So I should probably wait to mop. And then I wanted to mop the living room, and they forgot the rug. So we ordered a bedroom rug, and so they forgot it. And so I'm gonna have to figure out how all of that's gonna work when we go and pick the rug up, because the bedroom furniture is already together. So we would kind of have to like move the bed and the nightstands, and it's a ginormous mess, you guys. It is a ginormous mess. So like I said, I am kind of getting settled here, and then we are probably, not we, I am going to head back to my parents' house because I have a 3 o'clock session. So that is the plan. And then right after my 3 o'clock, because I have a break at 4, I'll probably keep like getting things together and put by the front door, so that way they can be brought over to the new place. So that is the plan. I am going to finish getting situated. Alrighty, I just look just crazy, but I don't even know what time it is. Probably like almost 9 o'clock, and we've gotten most of the big stuff here. We got all of the big stuff. We still have some of the smaller stuff left over at my mom's house. We still need to buy like shower rods and curtains for the patio door. And so yeah, I'm gonna try to get some stuff put up tonight, just because it'll make my life so much easier. Right now, 8:48. So that is the plan. That's what we have going on. I kind of have some stuff on my nightstand over there. We got to put together some things. So yeah, sorry, my son is like playing with our drawers. So I'm going to help my husband finish putting together his crib, and I'll come check in with you guys once we are ready to get some stuff together.